Honorable Speaker, my ministry, in collaboration with key stakeholders, is undertaking significant systemic reforms to enhance the capacity of law enforcement agencies and the judiciary in handling femicide cases. Honorable Speaker, the recent surge in gender-based violence and femicide in Kenya has escalated into a national crisis, prompting urgent calls for comprehensive action. Between August and October 2024 alone, at least 97 women were killed in gender-related murders. Addressing this multifaceted crisis requires a concerted effort to challenge societal norms, strengthen legal frameworks, and provide comprehensive support to survivors. Only through systemic change and sustained commitment can Kenya hope to reverse the rising tide of GBV and femicide. In cases of gender-based violence and femicide, increased cases of GBV and femicide are driven by a complex mix of social, economic, cultural, legal, and institutional factors. And below are the contributors. Contributor number one in the list is socio-economic factors. We live in a patriarchal society, and patriarchal norms and gender inequality societies prioritize male dominance and control over women, often normalize violence. Harmful traditional practices such as child marriage and female genital mutilation contribute to GBV, and stigma and silence around GBV cultural taboos often prevent survivors from speaking out or seeking help. Economic factors: poverty and unemployment. Financial stress can increase household tensions, leading to violence. Women in economically dependent positions are more vulnerable. And economic disempowerment of women limits women's ability to leave abusive relationships or report violence. Legal and institutional gaps. Weak enforcement of GBV laws. Perpetrators often go unpunished due to corruption, poor policing, or lack of evidence. Inadequate protection mechanisms, lack of shelters, limited legal aid, and psychosocial support services, which are wanting. Slow justice systems. Survivors may be discouraged from pursuing cases due to delays or traumatizing processes. Political and conflict-related factors. Insecurity and conflict. During war or political unrest, GBV is often used as a weapon or becomes more prevalent due to breakdown of laws and order and inadequate political support in some devolved units. Media technology. There is normalization of violence in the media. Exposure to violent content can desensitize audiences or perpetuate harmful gender norms. Cyberbullying and online harassment. Social media has become a new frontier for GBV, especially against women in public life. Alcohol and substance abuse. Increased use of alcohol and drug abuse are linked to impulsivity and aggression, often escalating violent behavior at homes and in public spaces.